If you're tired of clutter taking over your home and want smart products that actually make a difference, you're in the right place. Today, we're checking out some of the best new Amazon home finds designed to save space and keep your home organized. From clever storage solutions and multifunctional furniture to smart organizers and useful home upgrades, these finds can make everyday life easier. Links to all the products are in the description below. Let's jump right in. Number 1 is the HBlife Purse Storage Organizer for Closet. It's a simple solution for a common problem: handbags piling up, getting squished, or disappearing in the back of your closet. It keeps your purses upright, separated, and easy to grab. From small handbags to larger totes, each bag gets its own space, helping you maximize closet space and keep everything neat and organized. Number 2 is the SYNCVIBE wall-mounted laundry hamper. It's a smart space-saving solution for keeping dirty clothes off the floor and your laundry area more organized. The wall-mounted design helps free up valuable floor space while keeping your laundry easy to collect and access. It's especially useful for smaller bedrooms, bathrooms, and laundry spaces where every inch counts. Number 3 is the SYNCVIBE Collapsible Shoe Rack Organizer. It's a smart way to keep your shoes neatly organized while making better use of your available space. The collapsible design gives you flexibility when you need extra storage and helps keep shoes from piling up around your entryway or closet. It's a practical choice for keeping your home looking clean, organized, and clutter-free. Number 4 is the Apex Chaser Foldable Drying Rack. This rack gives you a convenient place to air dry clothes, towels, and other laundry while saving valuable space. Its foldable design makes it easy to set up when you need it and put away when you're done. It's especially useful for apartments and smaller laundry areas, helping you keep your laundry organized while giving you extra drying space without taking over the room. Number 5 is the Cotton Mesh Laundry Bag, a simple and practical way to keep your laundry organized. You can place delicate clothes, socks, underwear, and other small items inside the bag and put it directly into the washing machine. Its breathable mesh design helps keep smaller items together and prevents them from getting mixed up with the rest of your laundry. It's especially useful for keeping delicate clothing organized and protected during the wash. Number 6 is the Kalimdor Pants Hangers, a space-saving closet solution designed to hold multiple pairs of pants, jeans, skirts, scarves, or similar items on one hanger. The multi-tier design can be used vertically or horizontally, while the non-slip bars help keep clothes securely in place. It's a great way to maximize hanging space, reduce closet clutter, and keep your pants neatly organized and easy to grab. Number 7 is the STO Rolling Laundry Hamper with Wheels, a convenient way to collect and move dirty laundry around your home. The built-in wheels make it easy to roll the hamper from the bedroom to the laundry area without carrying a heavy load. It helps keep dirty clothes contained and your space looking cleaner, while making laundry day easier and more convenient. Number 8 is the I Have Wall-Mounted Toothbrush Holder, a smart way to keep your bathroom counter clean and organized. It mounts on the wall and gives you dedicated space for toothbrushes, toothpaste, and other everyday bathroom essentials. The built-in storage helps keep everything off the countertop and easy to reach, making it a great space-saving solution for smaller bathrooms. Number 9 is the 4-section Acrylic File Organizer, a simple way to keep files, mail, notebooks, folders, and other paperwork neatly separated on your desk. Its 4 compartments make it easy to sort different items, while the clear acrylic design lets you see everything at a glance. It helps reduce desk clutter, keeps important papers easy to find, and makes your workspace look cleaner and more organized. Number 10 is the Chizjox Closed Storage Bins with Metal Frame. These storage bins are designed to keep clothes, bedding, blankets, and other household items neatly stored and protected. The clear windows make it easy to see what's inside, while the front and top openings give you convenient access. They're also foldable and stackable, helping you maximize closet, underbed, or other storage space while keeping everything organized. Number 11. Ofiray-home Over-the-Door Organizer. Turn unused door space into extra storage with this handy organizer. It gives you a convenient place to keep shoes, accessories, toiletries, cleaning supplies, or everyday essentials without taking up valuable floor or shelf space. A simple space-saving solution that helps reduce clutter and keeps your home more organized. Number 12. Dehumidifier. Help keep your indoor space more comfortable with this compact dehumidifier. It works by removing excess moisture from the air, making it useful for bedrooms, bathrooms, closets, and other areas where humidity can build up. A practical home essential for maintaining a fresher, more comfortable indoor environment while helping reduce that damp, humid feeling. Number 13. KINGBOARD Small Ironing Board with Iron Holder. Save space while keeping your clothes looking neat with this compact ironing board. Its built-in iron holder gives you a convenient place to keep your iron while you work, and the smaller design is ideal for apartments, dorms, and limited laundry spaces. A practical space-saving solution that makes quick touch-ups easier without needing a full-size ironing board. Number 14. Jack and Rose Travel Steamer. Keep your clothes looking fresh and wrinkle-free wherever you go with this compact travel steamer. It's designed to quickly smooth wrinkles from shirts, dresses, pants, and other clothing, making it perfect for travel, work, or last-minute touch-ups. Its portable design makes it easy to pack and use when you need your clothes to look polished without carrying a bulky iron. Number 15. KIWIFOTOS Bedside Shelf for Bed. Add convenient storage right next to your bed with this handy bedside shelf. It gives you an easy spot for your phone, glasses, remote, books, water bottle, and other nighttime essentials without needing a traditional nightstand. A compact space-saving solution that's especially useful for small bedrooms, apartments, or beds with limited space around them. Number 16. Lifewit Freestanding Laundry Hamper. Keep dirty clothes organized and off the floor with this convenient freestanding laundry hamper. Its lightweight, space-saving design makes it easy to place in a bedroom, bathroom, closet, or laundry area. An affordable and practical way to keep laundry contained and your living space looking cleaner and more organized. Number 17. CTSNSLH 4-tier plastic storage bins with lid. Keep your home neat and organized with these stackable storage bins. The 4-tier design gives you plenty of room for clothes, toys, supplies, and everyday essentials, while the lids help keep your items protected and easy to access. The bins also have wheels so you can move them around whenever needed. A smart space-saving solution for bedrooms, closets, offices, or dorms. If you're enjoying these home finds, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more smart and useful products.